There does not exist an online marketplace focusing on the selling and buying of customized products for kids. And what we will create will be the ideal environment for the selling of such products.
So, team, we're a team of 7 people, unknown to each other prior to the Startup Weekend event. We have different backgrounds, which are business development, coding, design, marketing, etc.
Well, as for next steps from Mantetti, we are definitely planning to do customer development and customer validation, which is very important. It's very critical for us to find the best makers we can, because the quality of their product is also the quality of our platform. And I can see that in the next at least 6 months, we're going to have tested the idea with the MVP, and probably, in the best case scenario, we're going to launch the platform with the first makers. Later, it's expanding, scaling. After we confirm the product market fit and with first revenues, I guess we can scale easier. But that's more or less it.